Hello again, everyone. TrucksCbSales here with a temp report for Rabbit Hunter here in Kentucky on this Galaxy DX 98 BHP. Rabbit Hunter got ready to go for you. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down. 100-watt slug. It'll roll all the way on down to about 4 watts. And about 30 watts all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low 100 watts in the corner. Over a 250 watt slug, average power. Low about 125 average. Peak power. Low 250 in the corner. Alright, Rabbit Hunter, it's ready to go, bud. I hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at TrucksCbSales@gmail.com. Bump bump.